Hey guys, welcome back. Earlier today, I showed you my 14 Pro leather case UMBER cover, and after 7 months, how the coating, the paint fell off, or the paint or the coating fell off of it, and I will insert some footage if you haven't seen the video. And right after that, I decided to fix it. So what I did, I removed the paint. There was nasty paint all over it, so I took some of my wife's nail polish remover or acetone and a little cloth, and I removed it. So now it looks like a leather. It looks decent again. This is artificial light, but definitely looks better than it used to be, and in daylight it looks even better. What you need is a little piece of cloth or anything to rub it off, and you need acetone nail polish remover. This cheap one, the strong one, and this one, the flammable one, the cheapest one. Actually, I bought this one because usually your wife or girlfriend will use something like this with aloe vera and something that's even acetone free. So yeah, you want to get the cheap nasty stuff, and I bought this especially to remove things like this, and it worked, and I think it looks more decent now than it used to work. And another tip or trick, what I like to do is to keep some money under my phone case. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Me, DC Connor, and see ya.